Today, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove menu badges in WooCommerce. This is a great way to highlight sales, new arrivals, or special offers on your products, making them stand out to customers browsing your store. Let's get started. First, open a browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Once you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand a set of options related to managing your WordPress plugins. From the expanded menu that appears, click on Add Plugin. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to enhance your WooCommerce store's functionality. You'll now be on the Plugins page, which displays all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. From here, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Badge. This will filter the results to show plugins related to badge creation. Look through the results and find the one called Sale Badges and Product Labels for WooCommerce. Once you've located it, click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this will help you make the most of it. When you're ready, click on Install now. The installation might take a little while to finish, so be patient and let the process complete. Once the installation is done, you'll see a button that says Activate. Go ahead and click on it to enable the plugin on your site. After your page refreshes, you'll notice a new menu option has been added to your left navigation panel called Sale Booster. Click on this to access the badge creation page. From here, click on Add New, which will direct you to the badge creation menu. This is where the customization begins. Start by entering a name for your badge so you can easily identify it later. Scroll down to explore the label style options and change the label color to match your store's branding or the type of promotion you're running. Now you can customize the archive page styles, adjusting everything from font size to position, ensuring your badge looks exactly how you want it. Next, check on the product page styles to see how the badge will appear on individual product pages. Continue scrolling down for further customization options, fine-tuning every detail to suit your needs. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click on Save to finalize your badge. Now, removing a badge is pretty straightforward. Once your badge has been created and added, simply navigate back to the badge page by clicking on Sale Booster again. You'll see a list of all the badges you've added. To remove any badge, just click on the trash icon or delete button next to the badge you want to remove, and it will be deleted from your WooCommerce store. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add and remove menu badges in WooCommerce, giving you full control over how your promotions are displayed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.